Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change region in Amazon Flex. So first, head over to Google and search for Amazon Flex. Now click on the first Google result. This will redirect you to the Amazon Flex official website. Now head over to FAQ. Now, to change your region, the best way is to send an email to the Amazon Flex team asking them to change your region, or for a faster process, you could also call them, so here is the contact of the support at this number, and also, we can just locate the email of Amazon Flex to send them the email. So, just go back to the bottom of the page. So here, we have to find the email, and here we have just located the support link. Here is the phone to contact them to change your region, and here is the email of the Amazon Flex team. So, just send them the email asking them to share the region, and they will do it in a couple of days. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.